A critical decision looms for one of the most popular social media apps in the nation. TikTok could go dark next week unless the Supreme Court decides to intervene. There's been an outcry from the app's millions of users, especially people who make money from their viral videos. 6 News reporter Juliana Jackson shows us how it could affect content creators. Juliana.
The ban, set to take effect on January 19th, would remove TikTok from U.S. app stores and prevent web browsers from accessing the site. While current users won't face any legal battles, TikTok says it plans to shut down U.S. operations entirely if the law takes effect. The government argues the app poses national security concerns due to its Chinese parent company, ByteDance. Over 170 million users, and one of them is Larry Watkins of Grospec, a fifth-generation cattle ranch owner with Mesquite Country Beef who turned to TikTok 3 years ago. He's built a following on the app with over 40,000 followers and said a potential shutdown would affect users like himself who could lose access to millions of customers.
Doesn't cost anything, a little time, and it's kind of fun too. You know, there's really a lot of fun stuff on there. I'm not the youngest person on TikTok. I'm 65 years old. And you know, so all this stuff about TikTok being for kids to dance in front of the camera and stuff, that's not true. You know, that's really not how it is.
Watkins says he is on other social media apps, but it hasn't been the same success as it has been on TikTok. He hopes lawmakers and the Supreme Court will take another look at the potential ban and how it could affect business owners like himself. Some Democratic lawmakers are pushing for an extension that would give creators more time to transition their business. But for now, the deadline remains on January 19th unless the Supreme Court intervenes or ByteDance agrees to sell to an American company. Meanwhile, President-elect Trump, who has nearly 15 million followers on TikTok, promised to find a solution after he takes office next week on January 20th. Back to you, Bailey.
All right, thank you. Good to hear some different perspective about this potential ban.